Isn't this great, guys? This Amazon air is really delicious. Yeah. And this water is so refreshing. Wow. Isn't this great? Yeah. I never been in this Amazon jungle before. Yeah. Um, hey Pop. Yeah, son. What does this jungle look like? Um, this jungle kind of reminds me of this one, one of my kind, the Rotini, our home island. Oh, right. I hope you meet the. I hope we meet the Rotini's island soon. Okay, Pop. Well, looks like tomorrow we'll be hitting our our own jungle, and then we should revisit, and then we're gonna get back home safe and sound after we done. Okay? Okay. Alright, guys. Now get some sleep. We got a long day tomorrow.
2 hours later.
We aren't here to snack. We're here to avenge. Once these pesky passengers fall asleep, we'll show our blue friends some love. Some poisonous love.
Oh, that's my specialty.
We attack at the midnight hour, 'cause it's more evil. Stay alert.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Midnight! Time to attack! I don't. Oh, look at us, misfits. A toxic frog and a flightless freak. So different, yet the same. My darling, while you sleep, all is well. We are friends, and that's swell. But the truth is that I have a secret to tell. I love you. People say it's wrong, it's absurd that a frog and a bird are in love, but I know in my heart this was so meant to be. We could hug and get kissed, be heavenly bliss, but your lungs would explode and you'd look just like this, and you'd gag with your face turning blue. Ew. But darling, I'll protect you, I will, don't worry, just chill, because there isn't a bird that I wouldn't kill for you. Can't you see? Oh, we were destined to be, for we